Here's a quick video about how to make your RV refrigerator work better. This is my 2000 Rexall Airbus. I've had it close to a year now, and I've had a few problems with the refrigerator. The previous owner had it rebuilt. That part works great. But the problem with any ammonia absorption RV refrigerator is that they need airflow. So this whole section right here, that's all a chimney in the side of your RV wall. And you can see on top, that part on top is the top of the chimney cap. Let's see if we can focus on it. There we go. So the air is supposed to come in down there and escape up there. But what happens is it gets hot outside and the temperature equalizes inside of this chimney all the way up there. Sort of see the light up there. So air won't flow. So what you do is you get a fan kit, and it's supposed to suck air up or blow air up depending on how you install it. So I installed this one. This is a bright idea, and it worked about 3 days and quit working. The fans were stuck on high and it wouldn't respond to anything. All the lights were on. And then I plugged it back in another day. You can see that chip right there. Focus on it. Doesn't want to, there we go. See that? It went up in smoke. So this thing is literally dangerous. It could catch on fire. So that's unplugged permanently, going to be returned to Amazon. I have another kit that I'm going to install. With the fans not working, let's see how warm the inside of the refrigerator is. It's close to 100 today. So I'm expecting it's not going to be at temperature. So we're about 50 degrees right now. And with fans running, it was right at 40 degrees. So perfect. Let me install this new kit and we'll get back with you.